Lease the 2011 IS-250 for $349 a month for 36 months with $30.49.
Oh, you see, I can turn it on the carpet.
Want to save
Hey!
grocery shopping?
You can turn it on the carpet.
Some stores say they have low prices, but when it comes to saving on everyday shopping, you can't beat Kroger. You'll find regular, everyday low prices, weekly specials, special sales events, plus extra savings on the things the other guys can't imagine. Now that's more value for the way you live, and it's only at Kroger.
Only CBS Events asks the tough questions tonight.
Very good.
In 2008, Mark Herzlich was one of the best college linebackers in the country, an All-American. 6'4", 240-pound junior at Boston College was so dominating, he was projected to be a first-round pick in the NFL draft. Then, at the very top of his game,
Say hey, mommy.
Mark was diagnosed with
Say hey, mommy.
He was told
Say
by
hey,
a
mommy.
doctor his playing days were over.
You gonna say hey,
He
mommy?
might not be playing. He was just 21. For the next 2 years, Mark Herzlich fought two battles, one for his life, the other for a future in football.